Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to the second part of Mendeley tutorial in English. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about how to create a free account in Mendeley website. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, you will have to go to the Mendeley website. After going to the Mendeley website, you will have to click this link. Once you click the link, then you will have to click on either this button, create a free account, or you can click here to create your account. So this will take you to this page. Here you will have to type your email. After typing your email and clicking continue, it will take you to this page. Here in this page you will have to type your given name, family name, and a password that you want to use for your new account. And then you need to click on register button. So click on register button. They will then send you an email. Go to that email, go to your inbox, open the email and click on the link that they have sent to you. Click on confirm email. Click continue to Mendeley. Now they ask you about more information about yourself. So you can enter your current role and field of study, or you can just directly click on continue to Mendeley. Now click on continue to Mendeley. So your account is created now. So thank you. Bye.